friends, my name is Shubham Singh. Again, welcome you in the MarkMac channel. Today is a very important topic. Today we are just discussed about that what is the importance of marketing communications. As you know that it is a very important subject, marketing communication, role of marketing communications, because without marketing communication you are not able to accomplish your product, you are not able to execute your product in the market. So I think that this is the one of the most important topic, and with the help of this marketing communications you are easily sorted yourself from rest of your competitor. It is one of the most important thing that we should try to evaluate, we should try to contemplate that what is the importance of it and how we execute ourselves in the markets with the help of different type of strategies of marketing communication. So marketing communications are a very important role. Okay, it plays a very important role. So in the marketing communications today we are just talking about that the about 6 things that how we are just communicate well with our customers, because after all is in every kind of the business, if you are the retailer, wholesaler, manufacturer, or you provide any kind of the services, ultimately our aim that we are just directly communicate to with our customer with the different type of the sources. Okay, so it is very important that we should try to be find out that what the things that we are what the thing that we have to be share with the customer, what kind of things that we should kept in our mind before communicate with our customer. Okay, and what kind of strategies that we are should also be try to follow or try to be implement in our marketing strategies while we have to communicate with our customer or the clients, so we easily intensify our business. So it is very important that there are the 4 to 5 points. If you are just kept this thing in your mind, so I think that you easily make your product as a brand, make your product easily informed to your customers, so the customer will easily informed by your products and they are easily get by your product. So it's a very important that you should keep this thing in your mind. Okay, so marketing communications plays a very important roles, and every marketing it is play very important role, whether it is a B2B or the B2C. Okay, it's a play very important role. So today first we are just talking about increasing awareness. So what it means, increasing awareness is nothing, you just first try to create awareness of your product, whatever the product you have. Suppose if you are have any kind of the product related to the FMCG, if you are have any product related to different type, suppose if you provide a different, if you provide any kind of the service to your customer, so you should assiduously you should try to get that what kind of awareness I just try to be spread out with the customers' minds as much as possible, because without awareness, without getting the information, the customer is not ready to buy your products. So it is very important and essential that you should find out that how the product is to be the launch, how I just try to get spread out awareness about my products. How you spread out, I just already make a different type of the videos with the help of social, with the help of digital marketing, with the help of telephonic communications, with the help of face-to-face. You should first try to create awareness regarding your products. You should first try to get aware your product, aware your customer that this is the product we are just trying to be launched, and this is the thing that we have to be get plans, because without awareness the customer is not ready to buy your product. So it is one of the most important and crucial part of your marketing communication. Secondly, I am talking about increased knowledge and preference. You know very well that without getting the knowledge we are also not buy any kind of the products, because we have got experience. After we are also with the customer, we are also with the consumer. So without information, getting the information, the customer is not ready to buy your the products. It's a very essential, it's a very important that whatever the thing, if you write any kind of blogger, if you are is in the digital marketing, if you are is in the traditional form, it is very important for you that you should try to create more informations regarding your products, because customer is first checked your websites, customer is first check what kind of things you have to be the produced. This is the very important that as much as product knowledge you should given to your customers, your target segments, then only they are just find out that really it is useful for them or not. Then after they purchase your product, but without it they are not able to purchase your product. And this is the thing that many marketer had had done that kind of the problem, that kind of the problem, that they are not try to create awareness of their products, they are not try to give a proper informations about their product, and due to that they are not able to accomplish themselves, or they are not able to get that kind of the profit which they actually want. So try to give more and more informations about your product. And you take any examples, if you are have any kind of the service, you should try to give more and more informations about the services. If you are have any kind of the things, suppose if you are just talking about me, so we are have that kind of the we are have that kind of the team where we have to be trying to give we are just trying to aware the people that what is the use of digital marketing, what is the use of marketing, what is the what kind of strategies that you should apply in your business. So all these things, without giving the information to the customer is not know that what kind of thing that you have to be get sell out. So information plays a very very important roles. First thing I am telling you, try to get increase the awareness about your products, about the things, about the marketing scenario, what kind of thing that you have to try to give. The secondary thing, try to create informations, try to give the information to your customer, that why you purchase that particular product, and what kind of pros and cons in our products, what kind of limitation in our product, how our product is different from rest of the competitor. So all these things is contained in the second point, is in increase knowledge and preference. This is the second point. And the third point is increasing the retailers, increasing the informations. Try to increase the information increase the information to the retailer. Now this is if you are doing business like marketing and all these things, or if you are have the business of consultancies and all these things and the services, so it's not good, it's not for you. The persons who, suppose if you are the manufacturer of goods, if you are the distributor, so you should try to be also give the information, try to give the information to the retailer, because I already make the one video on it, that why the retailer is important, because retailer is directly connected to your customer. So it is very important that whatever the product you launch, each and every information that you should given to your retailer, because without it he is not able to convince the customer, and the customer is not buy the product. So this is also be the very important point, that you should create awareness, you should giving the informations to the retailers about your product, whatever the product you launch in the market in the new. Then the other point is to be the increasing sales and stabilize your brand. Now this is the point. If you are follow this initial 3 points, so automatically you create your product as a brand. How you create it? Because when the customer know you, okay, when you have to given the enough informations, when you giving the enough information to the customer, automatically they are just try to get trust you. Now what you think, now what you do, you are just try to create one kind of the brand awareness in the customer's mind, that how our product is differentiate from the rest of the competitors. You should try to compare the products and try to accomplish yourself that how our product is to be the different. Suppose if you provide any kind of the services, so you easily compare your competitor while you convince your client, you easily convince your customer, your clients, compare yourself with your competitor and try to find out the loopholes of your competitor, that what kind of the thing that you have to be the find, and what the thing that you extra give to your customer. So this is also be the play very important roles if you are just do it. Okay, so this is the very important, how you create the brand, by comparing your product to your competitors. While you start comparing with your competitor of your products, automatically the trust of customer is to be the increase, and it will be very very beneficial for you. Always try to be compare and try to find out the loopholes of your competitor, and try to get present, try to articulate in the front of the customer that how your product is to be the differentiate. But according to me, you just only focus on your product first, product quality and each and everything, because it play a very very important roles. If you have the good product quality, if you have the if you have the good bonding between your product, between your customers, if you are have that kind of the relationship with your customer, I think that it's one of the great thing. Automatically you not want to be compare your the competitor, automatically the brand will be you make yourself as a brand automatically. So you do not focus it's up to you that if whatever the strategies you have applied, but as far as my concern, you just focus on your product, quality of the product, and concerns about your customer, because customers is very important, client is very important. Okay, just try to get faith on him, just try to get convince them that how your product is to be the differentiate. So last point is maintain the public profile. So how you maintain the public profiles? Effective way of promotions. How you effective way of the promotions? You are trying to get help out the different type of the social media platform, whether it's a Facebook, Insta, every time. Many time I just articulate this thing that is in the B2C or is in the B2B, no matter, but it is the very important that you should try to use different type of the platform to accomplish yourself in the different way. So it is very important for us that we should have to be kept all this thing in our mind. Okay, so today we are just talking about yes, try to get different type of use a different type of the platform. It is in the proper way. You should do assiduously. I am 101% sure that you make your product as a brand. So today we are just talking about increasing awareness, increasing knowledge and the preferences. Then we are talking about the increasing retailers, increasing rails and stabilized brands, and maintaining the public profile. These are the points today we are just trying to be discussed about. Now these points you should play a very important roles, friends, because I am telling you that if you are apply this thing in your business, your business is be boom, and you are with the find any kind of impeccable lucrative opportunity in your market. So it's a very important for us that you should be get followed, because without communications with your customer, you are not able to get the profit what you actually want. So it's one of the most important thing, that how you got these things and how you used it. So that is the reason that you should be get followed it. Not only the unorganized organized sector. If you are is in that small business MSME sector, if you are is in the unorganized sector, so in that particular thing you are also be the noticed out that communications with the customer plays very important roles. If you are communicate with your customers, so I think that it play one of the crucial roles. It's play one of the different roles. So you easily try to create your brand image, create your brand of your products, and you not want to get advertise yourself. There is nothing, you not want anything. But the thing is very important, trust on your customer, trust, because they are the ultimate, the source who give you the money, who give you the profit of margin. So always try to get focused on your product, always try to get focused on the quality of the products. Try to get share it different type of platform. If it is might be possible, if it is possible for you, try to get share these videos different type of the persons, because I think that if this video is watched by the different type of the persons, especially our unorganized sectors, so I think that we is really good for doing something good for them. So it's a very important for us that you should be try to get share it more and more. So again, thanks for watching. Thanks guys.